If you're looking for a way to create wavy lines like this in Affinity, here's a quick and easy method to do it. And I can also assure you that the wavy lines are going to be perfectly symmetrical. Let's get into it. Since a wavy line is made up of a set of repeated curves, the first thing I'm going to do is grab the ellipse tool. I'll hold down Shift, then click and drag to draw a perfect circle. Then I'm going to remove the fill color and open the stroke panel. If you don't see it here, you can bring it up by going to Window, Vector, and click Stroke. In the stroke panel, I'll increase the stroke width to 20 points and enable Scale with Object. So when we resize it, the stroke width scales along with it. Next, I'll change the stroke color to blue. Then I'll align it to the center. Now I actually only need one part of the circle to form a wavy line. So I'm going to cut it. I'll grab the pen tool, click once here, then hold down Shift to draw a straight line. Click here and press Escape. Let me switch to the Move tool. Now if I drag it upward, the wave becomes shallower. And if I drag it lower, the wave becomes steeper. So let me slide it up a little and go with this position. Not too shallow and not too steep. Next, I'll select everything, go to Boolean Operations, and click Divide. Now that it's been cut, I'll click anywhere to deselect everything. I'll slide this curve up, then select the remaining parts, and press Delete. Then I'm going to move this curve downward, duplicate it by holding down Alt and dragging it. Then click here to flip the copied curve vertically. Now I'll make sure snapping is enabled, then drag the copied curve and snap its left node to the right node of the original curve. Let me zoom in to check if they are snapped perfectly together. Once that's done, I'll switch to the node tool, select the two nodes I just snapped together, go to the context toolbar, and click this icon to join them. I'll switch back to the Move tool, and we can see they are now merged as one wavy line. After that, I'll scale them down a bit, so we can fit a longer wave on the canvas. Then I'll hold down Alt along with Shift and drag to duplicate them. I'll drag to snap them again and zoom in to make sure the nodes are snapped perfectly. Then grab the node tool, select both nodes, and click here again to join them. I'll keep doing this until I've reached the length I'm looking for. Now if you want to add more wavy lines, maybe vertically, let me move it upward first. Then I'll just press Ctrl J to duplicate, hold down Shift and drag the copied one down until it's in the right position. Then I'll press Ctrl J repeatedly until I've got the number of lines I need. If I need to, I can then select all of them, go to the stroke panel again, and increase the stroke width. And that's it for creating wavy lines in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!